What is going on, guys? RNG back at you with another video. Today we have one box of 2016-17 Immaculate basketball. This is the first off the line program that Panini just started. We kind of missed the boat with first off the line, so Rainey jumped on eBay. We bought 4 boxes off of eBay from a guy with a lot of good feedback. But they didn't come wrapped up, so this should be interesting. He claims to be legit, but we're going to find out. Everything's security sealed and everything on the inside, but we're going to find out. As far as Immaculate basketball goes, you get 6 cards per box. We're looking for 1 base card, 2 jersey cards, and 3 autographs. But with the first off the line, there is 1 extra base numbered to 5. So 7 cards total. Let's see what we got. Ready for this, Rainey?
Let's do it.
Let's see what we got here. All right, we're going to start off with an acetate number to 27, jersey number, I believe, or number to the jersey number of Rudy Gobert. Nice little patch there.
Yeah, nice little patch.
We got an auto of Detlef Shrimp, number to 99.
Ain't heard that name in a while.
We got an RPA number to 10, Denzel Valentine.
Nice.
It's a nice looking card. We got a redemption. This is Celebration Signatures, Dario Saric. Got a jersey card, numbered to 99 of, is that David West?
Yep.
Yeah, David West.
Yeah, David West.
Our base is Nikola Vucevic. And our first off the line, number 3 of 5, Gordon Hayward.
Nice.
That's cool. Green parallel.
Those are cool, okay.
Pretty nasty. Well, that does it for the video, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe. As always, we'll be coming at you with more videos very, very soon. So until next time, y'all keep ripping.